بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies for today. Okay students, in the previous video lecture we have started unit 3 and unit 3 is at the farm, as you can see, and now today we will do the exercises related to this unit. Okay students, all of you take out your English notebooks and grab your pencils in your hands. Hurry up. Okay students, this is page 24 and on page 24 we have these exercises. Part A is comprehension, and comprehension part subpart A is where are the children. Where are the children? Do you know the answer students? Yes, very good. Please tell me. बच्चे कहाँ हैं? The children are at the farm. The children are at the farm. बच्चे farm पे हैं. Part B is who is playing with the kittens. Who is playing with the kittens? Kittens के साथ कौन खेल रही है? Mariam is playing with the kittens. That girl name is Mariam. Mariam kittens के साथ खेल रही है. What is the dog doing? The dog at the farm. What was that dog doing? The dog is barking at the cat. Why are the chickens looking for worms? Why are the chickens looking for worms? Chickens worms को क्यों ढूंढ रही हैं? Because they are hungry. Because the chickens are hungry. उनको भूख लगी है. That's why they are looking for worms. And E part is where are the lambs? The lambs are on the field. Where are the lambs? लैम्प्स जो हैं वो फील्ड पे हैं. दीज आर द लैम्प्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड दे आर ऑन द फील्ड. व्हाट आर द काउस ईटिंग? काउस जो हैं वो क्या खा रही हैं? काउस आर ईटिंग ग्रास. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड वी विल डू दिस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स इन आवर नोटबुक. सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स विद मी. हरी अप. Okay students, so right now we are doing the question answers on the notebook, and we have to write here unit 3, the name of the unit, at the farm, exercise A, page 24. Okay students, and then we have to leave one line, and after giving this space we will start from here. And part A is where are the children. This is part A, and it is where are the children. And you know the answer. We will write answer like this. Answer: the children are at the farm. Finishing line. The children are at the farm. Okay students, very good. You have to write in a very beautiful and neat handwriting. And now we are moving towards part B. Question B is, this is question B. Who is playing with the kittens? Who is playing with the kittens? So the question is who is playing with the kittens, and now here is the answer. Mariam is playing with the kittens. Mariam is playing with the kittens. And then finishing line. Students, you have to do your work in a neat writing. Okay students, now this is question C, and question C is, what is the dog doing? What is the dog doing? And the answer is, the dog is barking at the cat. The dog is barking at the cat. Okay, now this is question D. Question D, and question D is, why are the chickens looking for worms? Why are the chickens looking for worms? And the answer is, the chickens are looking for worms because they are hungry. And finishing line, the chickens are looking for worms because they are hungry. This is the question and this is the answer. Okay, now moving towards our next question. Okay students, this is part E, question E, and question E is, where are the lambs? Where are the lambs? And the answer is, the lambs are on the field. The lambs are on the field. Where are the lambs? The lambs are on the field. And now this is question F. What are the cows eating? What are the cows eating? And you have to write the answer of this question F. This is your homework students, okay? We have done part A, B, C, D, E, and now part F is your homework and you have to complete this part, okay? What are the cows eating? This is your homework. You have to write the answer of this question and then share the picture in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, you have to write the answer of this question and then you will share the picture of that in your WhatsApp group. I hope you have enjoyed today's class and you have done your work in a very neat and clean writing. Stay home, stay safe dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.